Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best bead threader is probably one of the most indispensable tools for any crafter, transforming tedious and eye-straining tasks into a seamless and enjoyable experience, allowing you to effortlessly string even the tiniest beads onto various cords and wires, making your jewelry making, embroidery, or other intricate craft projects significantly faster and more precise, ultimately enhancing the quality and professionalism of your finished pieces with minimal effort. Number 5. Beadalon Collapsible Eye Beading Needles. Introducing the innovative Collapsible Eye design. This unique feature makes threading effortless, saving you time and frustration on your projects. Crafted with a fine 0.30 mm diameter and 2.5 inch length, they are perfect for intricate work. These needles ensure precision and ease when working with small beads. They are ideal for all your jewelry making needs, from delicate bead bracelets to intricate designs. You'll find them indispensable for creating beautiful wearable art. Whether you're working with seed beads, plastic pony beads, or even embroidery, these needles are incredibly versatile. They adapt to various crafting techniques with ease. Made from durable steel, this set of 4 ensures you always have a reliable tool at hand. They are designed for long-lasting performance and consistent results. What we like? Its unique collapsible eye makes threading effortless for delicate projects. If you work with very fine beads or need precision for intricate designs, this is your go-to. It ensures smooth stringing every time. What people say. Number 4. EuTengHao 14400 PCS Glass Seed Beads Kit. Discover a world of crafting possibilities with this comprehensive kit. It provides an incredible 14,400 small seed beads, ensuring you have plenty for all your creative projects. Dive into a stunning palette of 24 vibrant colors, with 600 pieces of each shade. Plus, it includes 2 0.5 mm clear bracelet strings, so you can start crafting right away. Crafted from high-quality, long-lasting glass, these beads are designed for durability. Each one measures 2 mm in diameter with a 0.6 mm hole, perfect for intricate designs. This versatile kit is ideal for creating all kinds of jewelry. From elegant necklaces and bracelets to unique earrings and anklets, it empowers you to bring any design to life. Beyond crafting, these beads are perfect for thoughtful gifts, home decor, or even personal collections. They are often associated with good luck, balance, and confidence, helping to ease stress and anxiety. Looking for a special present? This kit makes an ideal birthday or Christmas gift for friends, family, or even yourself. It offers endless hours of creative enjoyment and relaxation. What we like? This massive collection offers an incredible variety of colors for endless creativity. If you're building a large color palette or need bulk beads for multiple projects, this kit is perfect. It provides exceptional value and choice for all your crafting needs. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. TOOVREN 12 PCS Easy Needle Threader. Do you find threading needles a challenge, especially with small eyes or poor eyesight? This handy tool is designed to make that frustration a thing of the past. It works seamlessly with any size of needles and thread, making it incredibly versatile. Say goodbye to squinting and fumbling, and hello to improved efficiency in all your needlework. Using it is incredibly easy. Just insert its wire hook into the needle, hang your thread on the loop, and pull it out. Threading is completed in seconds. These threaders are light, small, and flat, making them perfect for on-the-go crafting. When not in use, they can be easily stored in any box or bag, saving valuable space. Suitable for a wide range of sewing projects like denim, silk, cross-stitch, and embroidery, it's an excellent gift. Anyone who loves DIY crafts will appreciate this thoughtful and practical tool. What we like? This pack provides a dozen handy tools, perfect for tackling those frustrating small needle eyes. If you frequently struggle with threading tiny needles or want spares for different projects, these are incredibly useful. They simplify your hand sewing tasks efficiently. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to get relevant points. Number 2. Craftdady 10 PCS Big Eye Beading Needles. Discover the Craftdady Big Eye Beading Needles, an essential tool for your jewelry making. This pack includes 10 pieces, each measuring 4.92 inches long and 0.3 millimeters thick. They are designed to simplify your crafting experience. These large eye needles are crafted from durable stainless steel. They boast fine thickness, ensuring they are not prone to rust or deformation. You can rely on them for long-lasting use in all your projects. Their flexible yet strong Big Eye accommodates most thread types and bead sizes. They are perfect for stringing gemstone beads, pearls, and seed beads with ease. With them, threading beads onto your cord becomes effortless. The needles feature a unique design, created by soldering two ends together to form an exceptionally large eye. This makes them ideal for larger cords or for crafters who find tiny needle eyes challenging. They truly simplify the threading process. Each set comes with 10 lightweight pieces in a handy paper package. These beading needles are incredibly portable and suitable for various settings. You can easily use them at home, in the office, or even in your dormitory. What we like? These durable needles feature a large, flexible eye, making them ideal for various thread types and bead sizes. If you use thicker cords or have difficulty with traditional needle eyes, these offer great ease. They are perfect for diverse jewelry making projects. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to select points as the source JSON was empty. Number 1. Pepperell Easy Beader Tool. Discover the Pepperell Easy Beader Tool. This innovative device simplifies your crafting projects. It's perfect for stringing beads onto macrame cording. You'll find it makes the process smooth and quick. This tool is especially designed for strings with frayed ends. It also handles tightly packed cords with ease. Crafted with quality in mind, it is proudly made in the United States. You can trust its durability and performance. Standing at 9.5 inches, it's a convenient size for any crafter. Its design ensures comfortable and efficient use. What we like? This specialized tool excels at stringing beads onto challenging macrame cording, especially with frayed ends. If your projects involve macrame or difficult to thread cords, this will save you time and frustration. It's designed for tough stringing jobs, making them a breeze. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.